First, open AutoCAD and your SWDTM software. Open your survey data in XYZ format and select it. In SWDTM, go to Point. Import point from Excel. After importing, double-click your mouse scroll bottom and Shown your point. To set up your dimensions, and scale your drawing. To create contours with SWDTM, coordinate export is required. Open your footings plan in CAD file. Select the drawing. Press Ctrl-C to copy, and then Ctrl-V to paste it. Now, align your drawing with the survey data. To align, select the first source point. Then, the select first destination point. Click second source point. And finally, click second destination point. Press Enter to complete the alignment. After aligning, open the command line in AutoCAD. Type APPLOAD and press Enter. Browse and load your COORN Lisp file. Once the Lisp is loaded, type COORN in the command line and press Enter. Now, click the column center points. and press Enter. 1. Enter. Then E. Enter. The coordinates will be exported to an Excel file. These exported coordinates can then be used for stake out your building columns and footings on site.